Again, I will show you. Once you go to IW31, here itself, order type, you just need to click and you will see maintenance order, regular maintenance order, preventive order. Basically, in business, real time, that will be breakdown order.
Okay.
PM02. PM01 will be maintenance request and PM03 is preventive. That is the standard, and PM04 is refurbishment. So, what is meant by refurbishment? PM04. So, there is one pump in your company, and that pump you need to repair. So, there will be new pump. One is pump which you have repaired. Repair. And other is damage. No. So, if new pump it's come in your company, you will install it, and when it got damaged, you will not throw it. You will submit it in your warehouse. So, once you get time, you have people with you, or you got the vendor who will repair that pump. Then you will send that pump to the vendor for repair. Or if your team itself technically compatible to repair that pump, then they will repair. So this repairable pump. So new pump cost will be, I will just random take cost randomly 50,000 or very small pump. Okay, I will take 5,000. Repairable damage pump having cost only 500. But you repair that pump, then it will becomes to 2,500. It's very random figure. Okay. So this repair in terms of SAP plant maintenance, we call it as a refurbished. Refurbished. And all this activity in refurbishment scenario, we will take damage pump and we will repair it. So that pump from type C3 will go to C2. Okay. So this C1, C2, C3, you can call it as a valuation category. So basically in interview, they will ask you, please explain the refurbishment process. Because it's little bit critical. So interviewer will, if you mention this process end to end, then the chances of selection will go increase. Okay. So I will go very slowly. If at any point of time you feel you are not getting or you are not understanding, you can ask me. Okay. Okay. So this is a normal routine, breakdown, preventive, and refurbishment order type. So T code. Okay, I will explain from initially what is the initial requirement to create the refurbishment order. Okay. So refurbishment order initial requirement is the material which are going to repair should have valuation in split category, or you can say, I will type here requirement. So requirement is split valuation of material. Split valuation of material. So here material means our equipment or component.
Okay.
So it's not any material like a bearing or seal or gasket. It will be pump or any equipment which we are going to repair. So what is meant by split valuation? Split valuation means here one pump, I will in bracket, I will explain as a material. I will enter material. Material having three values. It's called split valuation. C1, C2, C3. Again, it will come in material management. So I will show you how you can check that your material, that is component, is split valuated.
Okay.
So there is a T code /MM60. So in that T code, you will see valuated material only. You can enter your plan and you can execute. You will get the valuated material, means material having multiple costs. Here we can choose anything like a raw material or spare part material. It's again depend upon what material we are going to repair. Basically, in real time, repairable material, we already know the material number because it's a planned maintenance component. We just selecting it as a material, but it is pump or equipment. So if I execute, so primary requirement is split valuation of material with category C1, C2, C3. Means one material having three different values. And in MM60 T4, you will get the list of split valuated material. List of material. Okay. So I have seen, I have tracked one material which is split valuated B-2001. So to create, okay, it has, okay, yeah, it has shown the valuated material. Again, this is the sandbox. So there might be something missing. It's not a real-time testing. So some valuated material have not maintained a C1 value, C2 value.
Okay.
So for training purpose, I have tracked one material which I got found. Everything is okay. So I will open that /MM03. So this is the material. Okay. Again, how you can see the different values of material? So you need to go to accounting one, continue, mention plant, and here valuation type. So C1, C2, C3. Just check C1. So what is the value of C1? 1533. Okay. Okay. Let me check value of. So here moving price standard. All these are MM scenario, but to understand the process, we should know. Okay. Again, go to accounting one. plant, and type will be C2. So just see what is value of C2. C2 is refurbished material. Okay. And damage. I want to know. Yeah, this is pump. Okay. Damage pump. So I want to know what is value of damage pump. Counting 1, 2, 3. Okay. So it's just 102. Okay. And don't got confused with this comma. Okay.
Yeah, understood.
So we got the 3 values of the material. So we will start the process. So T code is to create the refurbishment order. Again, one more important interview question. So the refurbishment order cost will be go to material cost
Okay.
of refurbishment. So that cost will be go to material. Material here is our pump. So whatever activity we will be perform to repair from damage to refurbishment, that cost will be go to that material. You understand?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay. So we will start. So T code. T code is IW81. And you need to go via path, then just logistics, plant maintenance, maintenance processing, and create special order, create special. So refurbishment. Order type always PM04. And that material is mandatory because we are processing or performing the activity on that material.
Okay.
Priority medium, plant 1000, business 1000, and one more thing, activity type. Okay, order type and activity type will be 111. Activity. So I will show you. It will be populated automatically. Okay. So this will be test for refurbishment order. I will just mention any plan group. Okay, mechanical planner, work center. Here you will see activity type 111, which
Okay.
is refurbishment. Here you will see material, pump, target quantity 1 and deliver 0. When we complete the process, here you system will update deliver as a 1. So we are processing on plant, storage location, plant and storage location. Valuation type. See, from plant storage location to plant storage location means once we repair, we will, yeah, tell me what will be the valuation type from and what will be valuation type 2. C1, C2, C3. In between which I need to update here and here.
C3. So